Hi, Amanda here at DataBasics. Today we're going to talk about how to use Credit Card Express on your mobile device. Credit Card Express allows you to import your corporate credit card transactions directly into your expense reports. Here I can see that I have 2 credit card transactions pending. Let's hit that Credit Card Express button to begin. My first step is to select an expense report. Here I can choose a new internal expense or I can choose an existing expense. I'm going to choose December expenses. The 2 unapplied credit card transactions that I have here are one from Microsoft Bing and another one from a restaurant called Mon Ami Gabi in Reston, Virginia. That's the one I'm looking for. However, if I didn't see the credit card transaction I'm looking for here, I could use the filter button to search for it. Here I can choose a date, an amount, or a description to create a search filter. I could also do both transactions at the same time by hitting the check mark on both. However, I only want to proceed with my restaurant transaction, so I'm going to hit apply. Another option here is to itemize, which means I can split this transaction into multiple transactions or multiple expense lines. However, I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. Here, I'm going to choose the expense type first. This is a required field. I know a field is required because it has an asterisk. Here is an entire list of available choices for expense type. Your organization may be different based on the type of user or based on your industry. Here, my organization would call this type of transaction a business meal. Automatically imported was the date, the description, and how it was paid, which was using my corporate credit card. Next, I need to choose the traveled city. By hitting that drop down, I can see my most frequently traveled cities, including Reston, Virginia. The amount here is already entered. I could also add a personal amount or the amount of the tip, both of which would be subtracted from my total. My vendor was Mon Ami Gabi in Reston, which was automatically entered based on the credit card transaction description. What I do need to add, however, is the purpose of this expense. The marketing team holiday dinner. And then I'll hit next. Because this was a business meal, I'm now asked to add the attendees. This was a group. This was the marketing team. And there were 8 of us. So here are all of my attendees. There's my marketing team and there's me. I could also add more attendees by clicking the plus button, but I'm going to move forward. Since I'm on my mobile device, it's very easy to take a picture of my receipt. Another option is to look through my photo album, or I can use my receipt repository, which I see I have currently 8 receipts available in my receipt repository. However, I have the receipt right in front of me, so I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of it. Here's the important stuff: the title of the restaurant, the date, and the amount. I can use this photo. Here I have the option to edit it so that only the most important information on the receipt is available. I can also rotate it or zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to click done and there's my receipt. Now I can see that this has been attached. I could continue and add additional attachments, but I'm finished, so I'm going to hit this check mark to attach it. And now my business meal has been attached to my expense report. I can see that it's been attached with this little paperclip button. I can also see that there were 9 attendees. I could make edits if I needed to. I can also preview this expense. However, I'm finished for now, so I'm going to hit save and exit. And that's how you use Credit Card Express on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.